Hello, yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. This is 20th of December. So today I'd like us to start off our analysis with a chart on my screen. I want us to start off with a chart on my screen. So this is a very good uptrend. This is a very good uptrend. We have a trend line, then we have another, so we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a support, we have a support, and we expect the same place to be a support here. So as long as the price does not clearly break and close below this line, this may as well be a very good place to consider looking for a buy position from. We do expect a bounce from this level, especially from around this point. This is 1.05605. We expect the price to bounce off from this point, then head straight to the upper side. We are expecting that the buyers will continue to push price upwards back towards this trend line here. So the idea here will be to keep looking for buy orders from within these two lines back towards this trend line here. The next chart is a GBP USD. So we have ask price, we have this level. This is a very good support. You can see that we had a resistance. The price broke above that resistance. There was this pullback, so we had a support. It continued upward, it came back down, so we had another support here. As it is right now, we are especially looking for buy positions from within these lines. Within these two lines, we are expecting that the buyers will push price back to the upper side, at least up to this level here. So if you're on this chart as we're talking now, you're supposed to be focusing on buy positions, expecting that the buyers will come in strongly from within these two lines back towards this level here. And in case the price breaks below these two lines, then we are expecting that the sellers will push price downwards up to this target. So we have a resistance, a break above, there is a pullback, we have a support. If the price descends below this line, we expect it to continue downwards at least up to this point here. We have Euro USD JPY. This is a sell. We are having a very good downtrend. So what you can see is that the price used this as a resistance. We had a resistance. This is a support, very good support. A break below, there is a pullback, and we had a resistance. As we're speaking now, the price has just gone below the next good level, which is this one. So this is a very good downtrend. We are looking for sell positions on this chart. As long as the price is held below these two lines, we are expecting the sellers to continue to push price downwards. So wait for price to pull back up to somewhere within these two lines, pick a sell position, have your stop loss above the high of this candle, expecting that the sellers will continue to push price to the lower side. That is my opinion on that chart. The next chart is gold. Looks like on gold also we are looking for a buy. So we have a shape forming, a converging wedge formation. So we have another level here. We have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance. We have a support, we have a support, we have a support, and we have a support here. So along this trend line is actually a good place to look for a buy from. As long as the price does not break and close below it, this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. So we're going to buy it there, expecting that the buyers will push price upwards at least up to this point here. My next chart, just a second, is the SP500. This is also downwards. We had an expanding wedge formation on this one, and it was broken to the low side. We have that. You can see how nicely the price maintained itself within these lines. So we had a very good resistance, we had a very good support. The price broke below that support. So as we are talking now, we are actually looking forward for sell positions. We expect that the sellers will push price downwards at least up to this level here. If this is broken, then we expect the price to continue moving to the lower side at least up to the next level. We had a support, there was this breakout. The price is still below that level. So today's candle we expect, this week's candle, we do expect the price to pull back up to somewhere around 83.246, where we'll be looking for a sell position. Our stop loss is fixed above the high of this candle, and then our take profit is fixed at this price here. So if you want to trade this chart correctly, you're supposed to have a pending sell limit here, have your stop loss above the high of this candle, then have your target at this price here. This is 69.602. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's session. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.